Okay, so hi everyone, I am Ritika Talukdar and welcome to the introductory session of Android Study Jams. Over the next few days, you'll be learning about the essentials of Kotlin programming language and you will be building a variety of Android apps. With a touch of your creativity, you can even get a chance to feature on official Google platforms. So let's not wait any further and get started with the session. So you must be wondering what are Android study jams. So these are, oh, I'm sorry, people are joining again and again. I'm sorry. Okay, so what are Android study jams? These are community organized study groups for people who want to learn how to build Android apps using an online training course, which is set by Google itself. There are two tracks in this program: new to programming and prior programming experience track. New to programming, as the name suggests, is for those who are completely new to the programming. And like I think most of you are completely new to programming. And the second track is for those who are familiar with OOP concepts and already have experience with an object oriented programming language such as C++, Java, but not Python, because Python is not an object oriented programming language. For you guys, we will be starting with the first track and then move on to the second track. जो वो होंगे interested होंगे for the second track, they can continue. But first track के तो sessions I'll be taking. Let's talk about what you will learn as a part of this track. First and foremost, the goal is for you to build your first Android app. So to do this, you will be installing Android Studio on your computer, which is an application using which we can build Android apps. Along the way, you will be exposed to programming concepts and the Kotlin programming language. During the program, I'll also be sharing some resources on which you can continue your learning and build apps even after this program. This is the overview of the curriculum of this track. You'll be earning 6 Google Developer badges as a part of this track. However, certificates are only for those who either complete both the tracks or just the prior experience track. So अगर आपको Google का certificate चाहिए, then you have to complete both the tracks. Okay, first track के लिए नहीं है certificate. But since most of you are fresh, completely new to programming, I'll suggest कि आप पहले new to programming वाला track करो, then only move on to the second track, because second track is a bit advanced. This is the curriculum for the second programming experience, second track. You'll be learning all the major concepts of Android development, and you'll also get to build a variety of apps such as Trivia app, Charade's game app, Dice Roller app. ऐसे बहुत सारे variety of apps बना के ही आप सीखोगे. So it's completely hands on. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई theory दे दिया और बस वो पढ़ के codes रट्टा मारने पड़े, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आपको hands on, everything will be hands on. And I'll be there. आपको कुछ भी doubts हो, you can ask me anytime on the Discord channel, and I'll solve your doubts. This is the third slide for the second track. You'll be earning, in the second track, you'll be earning 11 Google Developer Badge. So if someone completes both the tracks, आपको 16 Google Developer Badges मिलेंगे. सोचो, in your first year itself, you'll be having 16 Google Developer Badges. Sounds exciting, right? You'll also earn a certificate of completion. And the most exciting perk of this program is that you can get a chance to showcase your created app on official Google platforms. Can you believe that in your first year, आपका app, अगर Google को they think that it's worthy enough, your app will be featured on all their social media platforms. You will be tagged and आपको कितना ज़्यादा exposure मिलेगा. You'll be working through the Android Basics in Kotlin course. This is a course for this program, which is set by Google. And so this course, it's divided into different units. So मैं अभी आपको site दिखाऊंगी. how will you enroll for this course. तो उसमें ऐसे अलग अलग units है. Unit 1, there are only 2 units in the first track and 3 units in the second track. So at the end of each unit there is a quiz. So once you complete the quiz, then you can earn the badge. But if you get a question wrong, इससे तो कुछ लिमिट्स नहीं है क्विज में कि आप कितनी बार उस क्विज को कर सकते हो. इट्स अनलिमिटेड. बट I will suggest कि if you get a question wrong, please don't skip the quiz. Try to understand the concept. Try to understand where you went wrong, why आपका वो question गलत हुआ. चाहे गूगल करो, चाहे मुझसे पूछो, कुछ भी करो. बट ऐसा मत करना कि आपका गलत हो गया तब रहने दो, बिकॉज देन आगे जाके when you will be developing the apps, आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगी. So after you pass the quiz, you can earn a badge which looks like this. And जितने भी आप badges earn करोगे, they will be saved to your Google developer profile. अभी आपको मैं सब कुछ करके दिखा दूंगी कैसे आपको कहाँ पे आपको प्रोफाइल बनाना है, कैसे एनरोल कराना है. I'll show you right now after this presentation. But this is just a brief overview. So now that you're familiar with the learning platform and how the course looks like briefly, let's dive into some important concepts that you'll be learning about. I've been seeing some questions on the chat box. After the presentation, I'll be taking the questions. So please, आपके कुछ भी doubts हो, either you can unmute after the presentation or you can type in the chat box. So in this course, you will be learning how to code in Kotlin. Kotlin, it is a programming language that you will use to build Android apps. Kotlin is a modern and popular programming language which is known for helping developers to be more productive. Kotlin allows you to be more concise when you're writing your code, and you can write a safer code which is less prone to errors. As a result of many great language features, Kotlin has quickly gained momentum in the industry. It is reportedly one of the fastest growing programming language according to GitHub, and it was ranked as 4 of the most loved programming languages among developers. आप जैसे जैसे कोड करोगे, जैसे जैसे आप Kotlin में आप सीखोगे ना, you will see how easy it is to learn and how कितना आपका एरर्स कितने कम हो जाते हैं इससे. एंड जितना भी जैसे C++ एंड जावा में, अभी तो आई एम श्योर कि मोस्ट ऑफ यू डोंट नो मच अबाउट दिस, बट आप जैसे देखोगे ना, जैसे आप सीखोगे और प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, यू विल सी कि Kotlin is much, it's just like English. It's very much similar to English. It's very easy. बहुत ही same syntax होते हैं and चीजें बहुत ही similar words होते हैं in Kotlin, and even learning it and जैसे errors भी कम होते हैं. It's basically it's very simple. I can just go on and on. If you want to practice your Kotlin programming, there is a website called Kotlin Playground, which you'll be writing your code in, and you can access via the web browser. You don't have to download any software to practice your Kotlin. You can write your code in the window and उसी में run हो जाएगा. There you don't have to download anything. Android Studio. This is where you can create your apps. This you'll have to download and install in your computer, your laptop. And this is the official tool that professional developers use for Android development. This is where you'll be writing your code, Kotlin code, and building your apps. So जितना भी आपका layout, even the back-end part of it, you can do it on the Android Studio itself. Back-end, front-end, सब कुछ आपका Android Studio पे होगा. Android emulator. Now suppose आप में से कोई iPhone users है and you don't have an physical device to run your app in. So no problem. Android Studio में ही you can create a virtual device and it is called an Android emulator. Using that device, you can run your apps and जितने भी कुछ bugs है, कुछ भी, it looks exactly like a phone, like a physical phone, just it's on your laptop. It's a virtual device, but एकदम same functionalities होती है उसमें भी. जैसे you can open the app store and बहुत सारे apps. It looks exactly like a physical device. So no worries अगर आपके पास कोई physical Android device नहीं है तो you can use the Android emulator. Okay, so this was all about the course and आगे तो I'll show you how to enroll. But अभी जितने भी questions है अगर किसी के पास I am seeing there are some questions in the chat box also and अगर और भी किसी के कुछ भी doubts है you can also unmute and ask me. Priyanka, Sani, you want, which slide did you want to see?
No, I got it. No need first.
Okay. Rishita, can you move on to the second track directly? Yeah, you can move on directly. जितना भी आपको second track के लिए चाहिए, everything you will be learning in the first track itself. So, no, you don't have to learn in a object-oriented programming language. उसी से हो जाएगा because first track में you'll be learning Kotlin ना, so second में Kotlin से ही आपको करोगे apps तो.
ओके
Okay.
ये आप ही सिखाओगे हमें सेकंड
हाँ
ट्रैक भी?
हाँ मैं ही हूँ, मैं आपकी फैसिलिटेटर हूँ.
ओके ओके.
अच्छा, by the way, अगर if I forgot to give my introduction, my name is Ritika Talukdar and I am a second year BTech IT student of IGT2W and this program is only for IGT2 students. So अगर कोई भी IGT2 का नहीं है, then please leave the meeting because you're not eligible for this program. Rupal, what is the significance of Google badges? See, अभी ये जो आपके डेवलपर प्रोफाइल में आपको ये badges दिखेंगे, तो you can add in a resume कि आपने एक Google से जो ये Google ने खुद ही ये प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है इन कॉलेजेस. सो आपके रिज्यूमे में कितना अच्छा लगेगा कि आपने ये कोर्स आपने किया इस प्रोग्राम में, यू टुक पार्ट इन एंड यू बिल्ड दिस ऐप. बहुत सारे ऐप्स आप बनाओगे, आपके वो प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी ऐड हो जाएंगे, आपके वो इंडिविजुअल प्रोजेक्ट्स में वो ऐड कर सकते हो, आप अपने रिज्यूमे में लिख सकते हो. और अगर सपोज इफ यू आर वन ऑफ दोस लकी चोजन वंस जिनके ऐप फीचर होंगे गूगल में, गूगल प्लेटफॉर्म्स में, देन वो तो कितना आपका बड़ा एडिशन होगा टू योर रिज्यूमे. एंड ये जो बैजेस है, यू कैन लिंक योर गूगल डेवलपर प्रोफाइल का लिंक इन योर रिज्यूमे एंड उससे बहुत ही आपका ऐसे इफेक्ट होता है कि दैट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, कि आपको अलग अलग फील्ड में आपको सीखना अच्छा लगता है. एंड एंड्रॉइड में ही आपने फर्स्ट ईयर से ही आपने इतना इसमें इंटरेस्ट दिखाया, सो आपका बस रिज्यूमे बहुत अच्छा आपको स्टैंड आउट कराता है अलग बाकियों से. जैसे मैं भी जब आई वाज इन, हाँ पूछो.
Is there any need to learn any other programming language or just with Kotlin only?
No, just Kotlin. For apps, you just need Kotlin. People are joining in right now. Okay, so और कुछ questions है? Rupal, I hope I answered your question. अगर कुछ और भी है doubt तो you can ask me.
Dev, which is better for making apps, Java or Kotlin?
Kotlin is much more easier to learn. Java के लिए you'll have to first learn the core Java, right? जो proper आपकी Java होती है, object में जो होती, object oriented programming language जो है, वो आपको पूरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. And उसको पढ़ने के लिए आपको ज़्यादा time लग जाएगा. Kotlin, I told you, it's very similar to English. तो आपको सीखने में easy होता है. And it's also Kotlin में जो है, अगर suppose कोई app है which is made by Java, तो आप उसको अपने app में, अपने Kotlin app में you can integrate it. Like you can use that code in your app also. So and in Java that's not possible because अभी 2018 or 17 से I guess Google has declared कि आज से जितने भी apps बनेंगे they will be made in Kotlin itself. तो अगर आप Java सीखोगे तो फिर आपको बाद में तो Kotlin सीखनी ही पड़ेगी because Java में you cannot integrate your Kotlin app के codes in your code in your app के codes. तो आपको फिर उसमें switch करने में बहुत मुश्किल होगा. It's better है that you learn Kotlin first and then you move on to Java if you want to. But Kotlin in itself is enough.
Thank you, Dev. And one more question, Dev. Like I did C++ in class 11th and 12th, so I have some experience with OOP concepts. So can I directly jump to second track?
Sure. You can directly jump to the second track.
Okay, so like, is it gonna start simultaneously with first track?
The second track है, it's going on. जैसे उसका जो third session है, it's tomorrow. So you do one thing. I'm putting my number on the chat box. You text me on WhatsApp. I'll add you to the second tracker WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
And
Are there
whatever
recorded lectures available for the previous
yeah,
2
yeah. Yes, I'll share you everything. So just text
Okay.
me on WhatsApp and I'll let you know.
Okay. Thank you, Di.
No problem. मैंने अपना नंबर डाल दिया है चैट बॉक्स में, आप ले लेना. So any other questions? No. So should I move on? आप कैसे enroll करोगे? Give me a yes or no or whatever in the chat box that I know that people are listening to me.
Yeah, Deep, please move on.
Okay. अभी सबने फोन से ज्वाइन किया है या लैपटॉप से? ऐसे तो फोन से भी हो जाएगा बट ओके, फोन लैपटॉप दोनों ही है. इट्स ओके, फोन से भी हो जाएगा वैसे, बट अगर नहीं हुआ तो लेट मी नो. आई यू कैन टेक्स्ट ऑन द डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल एंड आई विल आंसर. सो गो टू, आपको मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है ना? या दिख रही है? ओके. सो ये जो साइट लिखी है g.go/android/study jams, आप इस पे जाइए and sign in using your Gmail or whatever account that you use. अभी sign in करो मेरे साथ साथ. हाँ Rupal, if you know C++, then you can join the second track. You also give me a text and I'll add you to the second track WhatsApp group. Okay, whoever already knows C++ or Java, then please text me and I will add you on the second group. I hope everyone has opened this link and signed in also.
Yes, the
Okay. So आपको ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा होगा? ऐसा दिख रहा होगा, right? So this is the first track and this is the second track. Okay. तो जिन जिनको फर्स्ट ट्रैक से स्टार्ट करना है, आपने अभी साइन इन करा होगा, तो यू मस्ट हैव गॉटन योर फर्स्ट बैच आल्सो.
Excuse me, Dee.
हाँ.
Dee, I know till arrays I don't have knowledge about lists and stacks, queues, graphs and maps. So should I join the first track or the second one?
Oh, then you should start with the first track itself.
Okay, Dee.
Because
Thank you.
हाँ, no problem. सबने ये साइन इन कर लिया है ना? And you must have gotten your first batch also.
Yes, Dee.
Okay,
दीदी
so
साइन
इसको
ये स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही.
दीदी साइन इन कैसे करना है?
अच्छा रखो, मैं आपको साइन करके पूरा दिखाती हूँ फिर.
दीदी आप लिंक एक बार प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में डाल दो.
डी लेफ्ट.
I'm sorry, there was a power cut, so एकदम से वाईफाई चला गया था.
Dee, can you share the link in the chat box?
Okay, sure. This is the link.
Yeah, Dee, now I got into the right page.
Oh, okay. So अभी आप साइन इन करोगे.
Yeah, signed in.
या ओके. फर्स्ट बैच मिल गया, उसको आपने सेव कर दिया अपने डेवलपर प्रोफाइल में?
It just said you own the Android Study Jam participant batch.
Yes, so there must be an option to save the batch.
Yes, the I saved it.
Yes, the
Okay.
I saved it.
Yeah, Di.
Okay. So अगर आपको अपना profile देखना है, so you can go here from settings and you can see your profile. And आपके अरे and आपके जितने भी badges होंगे, they will show here. ये आपके सारे badges यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. अब now I want अब अगर you can either wait for the next session. एक दो दिन में हो जाएगा आपका next session, or if anyone wants to try on their own and start the course on their own, you can perfectly do that because जितना भी आपको resources चाहिए सब कुछ available होता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So once you click on the start course, you'll see ये third unit you don't have to do, only first 2 units you have to do. Okay, these are the batches that you'll be earning once you finish these units, and you can start with this batch if you want to, or you can wait for the next session as well. Session में I'll show you, साथ साथ हम सब करेंगे and सब कुछ I'll show you. तो ये आपके, this is called a unit, and these 1 2 3 4, these are called pathways, and this is the quiz. Once you pass this quiz, you'll be earning that batch. Similarly for the other badges as well. And बस ये 6 आपको complete करना है for the first track, and for the second track I'll show you. Second track अगर किसी को Kotlin में, I'll be teaching you Kotlin, but if you want to practice your Kotlin for the apps, you can start this Kotlin koans as well, but this is optional. If you want to practice that so then only you can do this. And अगर आपको practice करना है तो सिर्फ ये first 3 करना, ठीक है? ये तीनों is not needed. अगर आपको practice करना है तो ये first 3 आप कर सकते हो. आपके ऐसे, so koans are basically, हाँ.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Huh.
The point is, I have copied the link that you have shared in the chat box and
Okay.
opened it. It's showing the college name is different. The college name is Crystal E College. It's not showing the name of our college.
Did you sign in using your Gmail? आपका कॉलेज तो नहीं शो होगा, आपका साइन इन करोगे तो उसके बाद ही शो होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट कॉलेज रिलेटेड. दिस सेम लिंक इज यूज्ड बाय एवरी कॉलेज जहाँ जहाँ एंड्रॉइड स्टडी जैम्स हो रहे हैं.
Could you please share the link again? Maybe I copied
Okay,
it.
okay. Try this.
It's done. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. So if you want to practice your Kotlin, अच्छा ठीक है, I'll tell you about this once the first track is over. वो ज़्यादा confuse नहीं करती मैं. So for now, for the first track, I'm just recapping. First unit आपको complete करना है, and the second unit. The second session में we'll be doing these first three batches, and in the third session we'll be doing these 3 batches. So 2 more sessions and your first track will be complete. So don't worry, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको बहुत time लग जाएगा in learning Kotlin and then ऐसे time भी निकल जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. एक सेशन में 1 session is enough for 3 batches. बहुत छोटे छोटे concepts होते हैं in the first track. आपको आराम से first track हो जाएगा, and second track में भी ज़्यादा ऐसे है नहीं. You just have to practice. Okay, so once we start these tracks, I will be giving you assignments, I will be giving you resources, and I hope कि जब भी आप session में आओ, you read those resources and you do those assignments. आपको जितने doubts है, you can pester me. I won't have a problem. जितने silly doubts भी है, you ask me, I won't have a problem. But I want you to go through those resources and go and do the assignments on time. मैं ऐसे टाइम तो देती नहीं हूँ फॉर असाइनमेंट्स, कुछ डेडलाइन नहीं होती है, बट दीज आर फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस ओनली. अगर आप वो करोगे तो आई एम श्योर यू विल बी हैविंग अ फुल फ्लेजेड ऐप once you complete this program. Now just to give you a brief teaser on आप कैसे कैसे apps बना सकते हो. So this was an app that I made in my first year. you must have seen Zomato and Swiggy apps, right? So I just did a take on my. I called it so my see. अच्छा मैं आपको बताया था ना emulator. This is called an emulator. This is your virtual device. It just looks just like a phone. आप ऐसे मेन्यू खोल सकते हो, कैमरा, क्रोम सब कुछ इसमें होता है. So this was my app, HealthPal मैंने उसका नाम दिया. This logo, this layout, everything I have made. You can log in. And you can see there's a list of restaurants. You can add them to your favorites, remove from favorites. You can choose whatever you want. Order कर सकते हो. You can place an order. You'll see an order place screen. There's a menu, favorites, everything. जिस जैसे आपका Zomato दिखता है, आपको एकदम सेम वैसा apps आप सेम बना सकते हो. And this all data you can see ये मैंने खुद नहीं ऐड किया है. I've fetched all this data using an API. एक URL से मैंने ये सारे ये data fetch किया है. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपको हर एक का आपको data type करना पड़ेगा या जो भी. It's very easy. Kotlin यूज करने से बहुत easy हो जाता है. आप ऐसे sort भी कर सकते हो rating wise, cost wise. So you see, प्रॉपर आपका एक ई-कॉमर्स ऐप जैसा बन सकता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू वर्क हार्ड एंड मैं आपको जो भी जितने भी मैं आपके सेशंस होंगे यू शुड अटेंड. मेरे से जितने डाउट्स है यू कैन आस्क. अगर आप खुद ऐप बना रहे हो, आप साथ में या मेरे से जितने भी हेल्प चाहिए यू कैन डू. कोर्स करते करते कोर्स सीखते सीखते कोर्स के साथ सीखते सीखते आप ऐप्स अगर बना रहे हो तो वेल एंड गुड. बट बाद में भी अगर आपको चाहिए, इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प देन आई विल बी देयर. बस जितने भी रिसोर्सेज है यू गो थ्रू दीज एंड कंप्लीट दीज यूनिट्स, कंप्लीट दिस सेकंड ट्रैक एंड यू विल बी गुड टू गो. I'll be sharing all the resources on the Discord channel. I hope everyone has joined the Discord channel. #Android Study Jams is the name of the channel. Sare resources and everything I'll be sharing there.
Can't we make any WhatsApp group?
Okay, I'll let you know. I have to ask Sangeeta Di about that.
Okay. Because it will be easier there.
I know,
Discord is-
I know. Even I feel that it's easier there. I'll ask Sangeeta Di and I'll let you know, okay?
Okay.
Deepika, yes, the recorded session will be provided to you as well. Anything else? Today was just an introductory session. Next session में मैं Kotlin आपको वही first 3 badges करा दूंगी and Kotlin के जितने भी आपको programming सीखनी है, जितने भी syntax वगैरह सबको बता दूंगी. And yeah, so that was it for the first session. I hope you are excited. And yeah, trust me, as a senior, I'm telling you, if I was in first year and मुझे ऐसे opportunity मिल रहा होता कि मैं Google में अपना app में अपना feature करा सकूं, I surely would have taken it. So I want you to make use of this opportunity as much as you can because it is a great opportunity. And Google के certificates तो यार किसको नहीं चाहिए होते हैं, right? हाँ जी अंजलि. So that was it for the first session. I hope you liked it. Yes, Simran, true. Yeah, so for more updates on the next session, I'll be writing on the Discord channel only. But I hope you are active there. But I'll ask Sangeeta Di for the WhatsApp group. And जिनका C+ जिनको आता है, please text me on WhatsApp and I'll add you on the second track WhatsApp group, okay? Rupal, I'm happy that you loved it.
We are like partners of DSC now, of the society. So are there any special different groups for every circle? Like
DSC के लिए, yeah, huh? Aren't you a mentee in DSC?
Yeah, I am a mentee.
So you must have joined the circles, right?
Yeah, I've joined it, but I don't have any news about it. Is there any WhatsApp group, or will we be getting everything about the circles on the Discord only?
On the Discord only. In I think tomorrow there are some introductory sessions planned for some circles, but most of the circles सबके introductory session will be completed by the next week. So आपको Discord channel पे सबके updates आ जाएंगे.
Okay.
Okay. So any more questions, or we can wrap up? ठीक है. Cool. So I hope everyone liked it, and I'm hoping कि सब सारे second session भी join करेंगे. And I'm assuring you, मैं भी आपकी senior ही हूँ. मैं हम सब साथ साथ करेंगे. अच्छे से मैं आपको सिखा. I haven't got my batch. Asta, which batch? DSC circle. Are you talking about DSC circle? जितना भी recruitment होना था for the mentees, it's over. So अगर आपको अभी circle नहीं मिला है, so ask Sangeeta दी. I guess. आपको मैसेज कहाँ करना है? You can message me on Discord, Ishita, or here's my number also. You can reach me out on WhatsApp on this number. Okay. Asta, are you talking about Android study jams after signing in? अगर आप new to program, अगर आपको programming में experience नहीं है, then you'll be in the first track only. Second track is for those who already have experience with either C++ or Java. Okay, so yeah, so you are in the first track only, Asta. Okay, so I'm ending the session now. Second session के जो updates होंगे, I'll be putting them on the Discord. Make sure that you are active there, because in 1 or 2 days, most probably by Monday, I will be posting the updates. So have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, Di.
Thank you, Soma.